Here's how to acknowledge email. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. First, you will need to open your Gmail app. Then you have to click on the email that you want to reply. Then click on the reply icon at the top. First step is start with a courteous greeting. Begin your email by addressing the sender with a polite and friendly greeting. This helps set a positive tone for your response. For example, you can use dear and then the receiver name. Step 2 is express gratitude or acknowledgement. Show appreciation for the sender's email and acknowledge the specific purpose of content of their message. Let them know that you have received and read their email. You can say something like, "Thanks for your email regarding the upcoming project." Now the third step is provide a brief response. If the sender has asked a question or requested specific information, make sure to provide a concise and informative response. If a more detailed response is needed, you can mention that you will address it in a subsequent email or provide a time frame for when they can expect a full response. Step number 4 is confirm action or next steps. If there are any actions you need to take as a result of the email, make sure to clearly confirm them. This helps provide clarity and avoids any misunderstandings. Like here I have added. Now for the fifth step is closing and contact information. End your email with a courteous closing and provide your contact information. This ensures that the recipient knows who they are communicating with and how to reach you if needed. You can use phrases like "Thank you for your email. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me." Sixth step is proofread and send. Before sending the email, it's crucial to proofread it for any spellings or grammatical errors. So this is how you can acknowledge an email effectively.